Hello everyone, welcome back to Rob's workshop. This video I'm going to talk a bit about this slider bracket, as they call it. The kit's supplied with a gunmetal casting for you to machine up and use for the engine. And I made a start that, as you can see, it's not finished. And I made a schoolboy error when I was machining the second side. I'd done one side, skimmed it, flipped it over and clamped it down, but I didn't check carefully enough, and consequently this was not down hard enough against the milling table bed. So when I machined the top and then looked at it, I don't know if you can see that, but it's tapered towards my fingers, and I thought, well, I can skim it a bit more and definitely get it parallel next time round, but I'll end up with an undersized part. It's quite a bit to come off to make it parallel sided. And when I was looking at it, I thought, this is awful, this is just a horrible lump of metal, expensive metal, so I'll make my own, which I did. So I've got this little devil. It's made of two components. I've used ordinary brass for the flat bit, and these two end bearings are phosphor bronze, turned and reamed, blah blah blah. So I just took the main dimensions off the drawing and put them in my CAD program to make my own drawing, which is here. So from the basic overall dimensions required, I could then work out coordinates for quarter round corners, where the holes need to be, overall length, width, blah blah blah. And I've used a datum here, which is the centre line of these three holes. These three holes go over the column pieces that connect the block to the sole plate. Yeah, use the centre line of those and the very edge of the stock material as my datum, and from that I've got lots and lots of XY coordinates for corners, the holes themselves, and so forth. It didn't take actually that long to do, really. This was probably the longest part, drawing it up and getting these coordinates. But I got all these figures, kept them on a like a table, took those to the miller machine and started removing metal, and it's I'm quite happy with the results. It's not too shabby at all. I think it's a slightly better design, it's a better shape. So there you go. These bits here, where are we? On the end. I don't know if you can see it, it might be out of focus there. But there's a recess been cut in the cylindrical bit. I'll just move the drawing up and you see what I mean. That's basically the parallel sided bit. There we are. And what I've done is the bit that I've turned, I milled a slot lengthways for it to sit in comfortably before silver soldering, and it all went according to plan, I'm pleased to say. But anyway, I'll put some still photos on after I stop talking and show you different steps in the milling process. Just a shorty, this one. So till next time, take care, see ya, bye.